Hello everyone and welcome back to digiguru series, and in this video I'll be telling you all how to integrate the DNS of your domain name. So probably you might have purchased the domain name from Godaddy or any other platform. You need to reach down to your admin interface from where you have purchased the domain name. Once you're there, you need to click on the DNS. So I'll just again tell you how I reached till here DNS. So if you'll go to your home page, probably if you're into Godaddy, it would appear something like this. On the right hand side, you just need to press the drop down and click on My Products. When you clicked on My Products, you will see all the products that you have purchased from that platform. Suppose if you purchased just the domain name, then you'd be seeing the domain name as you can see in front of me. If you'll go right hand side of your domain name, you'll see an option of DNS. You need to click on this DNS. And once you have clicked on this DNS, you'll see an option from where we can change the name servers. As you can see in front of me, the name server option is coming and a change button is even coming. It may happen if you're changing the name server for the first time, there might be few of the records which might be appearing before the name server option comes. So you need to search the place where the name server is written, and just below the name server you need to click on this change icon. When you would be clicking on this change icon, you would be seeing an option of name servers. So what I need to do is I need to simply replace these name servers with the name server which I might have received from my hosting service provider. As I've already changed the name server, I have purchased the hosting from HostGator, so I have entered the DNS of the HostGator. Now once this has been done, you just simply need to click on Save. And in few minutes, the DNS change may take time from few minutes to max few hours. In order to check whether your DNS is configured or not, we can simply go to a website of dnschecker.org. We'll open the website like dnschecker.org. Out here we just simply need to write our domain name, as my domain name is digitallguru.com, and here we need to drop down and select the NS name server and search. We'll start seeing on the map as on the green tick sign. These green tick signs shows that my domain name server DNS is changed and is integrated and is working properly even. So this is one of the proof checking whether your DNS configuration was right or not. Make sure while changing the name server you do not put any extra character or space in the name server. Once you have integrated your name server, now you need to install WordPress from your cPanel. In the next video of mine, you'll be learning how to go to the cPanel of your website, and from cPanel how do we install the WordPress of our website. So let's continue to the next video. Thank you for watching this, and I hope if you're having any issues in understanding this video, kindly leave in the comment section whatever queries you are having.